Rare photos. A herd of horses sculpted from Babybel cheese wax. Came across some dinosaurs in the woods. A mini greenhouse made from the turtle shell lid of a child's sandbox. This full-size tractor made out of snow, not far from me. A salt cube formed in the neglected Play-Doh from a cranium game. Geometry textbook from 1927. In case of fire, throw this in. The class left space for the gutter margin in the yearbook. Just landed in Berlin, and the plane's lights turned multicolored. Little delivery robot spotted in the wild. The knife edge in this Swiss restaurant is shaped to resemble Swiss Alps peaks. The holes in the curtain cast a street scene onto the ceiling. A house I toured had a shower in the guest room. This railway ticket we found in our barn, the stamp on the back says August 18th, 1890. The urgent care near home has a slushy machine in the waiting room. A tiny milk carton holder 3D printed by a friend. The way these antacid tablets got wedged in the bottle.